Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best shovel for digging that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5. Best shovel for digging. However, there are now dozens of types of shovels available on the current market, and each one has different functionality and design attributes to consider. The blade shape, the steel handle length, the construction, and the overall design all matter. Whether you're a brand new DIYer or a gardening pro who is going to upgrade their tools, this review roundup. Number 5. 2-Light Square Point Shovel 29 inches Poly D-Grip for digging. A superior tool, clay and water-saturated materials, but also ideal when sifting debris from sand, gravel, grain, public markets. Main features: 14-gauge tempered steel heads, thick-walled polymer handles, lightweight and ergonomic. Number 4. Bully Tools Round Point Shovel with Fiberglass Long Handle. The extended ferrule and welded I-beam support increases strength while prying. In testing, the steel shovel head bends before the handle. Main features: 100% made in the USA. Limited lifetime warranty. 14-gauge steel blade. Number 3. The Ames Company's True Transfer Shovel with Wood Handle. It's perfect for moving loose garden material, sand, topsoil or debris. It can also be used to shape beds, mix concrete, level off areas. Main features: square point forged steel blade. Ergonomic D-grip provides extra leverage. Number 2. The Ames Company's Tools Round Point Shovel. Union Tools is one of the most trusted names in lawn and garden tools. This shovel is of good quality and designed for light to medium duty jobs or for occasional users. Main features: 2 carbon steel blade, strong poly D-grip, hardwood handle. Number 1. Fiskars LNGHNDL Digging for Shovel. The welded steel construction is far more durable than wood and won't flex like fiberglass. A sharpened blade cuts into dense soil easily. An extra large foot platform helps maximize. Main features: 14-gauge hardened steel blade, wood-handled tools, length 57.5 inches. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.